They say you can start a Shopify dropshipping store with no experience, no inventory, and barely any money. AI handles the hard work, and all you have to do is collect the profits.
It took 2 hours to make over $220,000 with an AI.
I tried it myself.
SQ4, I made $4.5 million dropshipping.
But does it actually work? Well, today, we're putting that to the test. The rules to this challenge are simple. I have to build a complete Shopify dropshipping store from scratch using nothing but free tools, and I have to keep the total cost under $5 for the full store build. I have to do it all from my laptop. And lastly, I have to get it done in under 20 minutes. Through this, we're going to find out if this is really the easiest way to start making passive income online, or if it's just another internet myth. Let's see what happens. Start the timer. All right, so we obviously need a store, but we're not gonna waste time building one from scratch. The plan is to use AI to do all the heavy lifting. And after testing out a bunch of tools, the Build Your Store AI Store Builder is looking like the best one out there. It promises to create a full customized Shopify store, choose winning products, and automate everything, including fulfillment. That means no shipping, no inventory, just straight up passive income. Sounds almost too good, right? Well, we're about to find out if it actually delivers. And if you want to try this with me, check the link in the description. Let's get this store live. All I'm gonna do is click build my free store and then enter in my name, email, and passwords. Once that's in, it's then gonna ask me to pick a niche that I wanna sell in. There's fashion and apparel, pets, electronics and gadgets, home and garden, sports and fitness, or I'm not sure. You can always come back and edit your store, so this step isn't all that important in the long run. I'm gonna go ahead and select electronics and gadgets, and I'm just gonna go ahead and edit later. All right, now that that's done, I need to choose what images I want for the banners for my store. The banners are an important part of your store because they give your store a personality or an identity that's gonna make it so that customers can trust your store more. And the more someone likes and trusts your store, the easier it's gonna be for you to make your sale. As you can see, you can choose from all types of different backgrounds, images, and objects inside the photo. I'm gonna go ahead and select this top one and this bottom one because they're pretty congruent with each other. And now that I have some images for my store, I'm gonna go to the next step, which is making a free Shopify account. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on Access Shopify. From here, I'm gonna access the free trial, which is also gonna give me access to 3 months of Shopify for only $1 a month. I know that the deal on the site says that you have a 3-day free trial first, but trust me, it is better to get in on this deal as soon as possible. I personally rather do it right away because knowing me, I'm definitely gonna forget to set up the 3 months for $1 a month within those 3 days. And that's gonna make it so that I can't get the deal anymore. So I'm gonna go ahead and click start free trial. Then I'm gonna select that I don't want help setting up at the bottom left of the box. Doing it like this is going to save you a lot of time when it comes to building your store. Now that that's finished, you wanna go back to build your store website and then click done. And then here, I need to go back to my Shopify store, get the URL from it, and then paste it right here where it says store URL. This step is what lets the store builder actually connect to my Shopify account so it can build my store for me. So I'm gonna enter in the URL and then click save and then done. And then I need to head over here to Shopify so I can get access to that 3-month deal. I'm gonna click access Shopify, and then the store builder is going to take me to this page right here. And I just need to enter in my information, and if you look over here, I'm already set up with the deal that I told you guys about earlier. Now it's just gonna prompt you to enter in a little bit more information. Now that my Shopify account is fully set up and connected to the store builder, I'm now going to install the store builder app to my Shopify so it can go ahead and finish everything out for me. To do this, I'm just gonna come down here and click on install app. I'm now redirected to Shopify where I'm gonna click install again. Then once you set up that simple process, you should see a check show up on your screen just like this. And here's where the store builder is actually gonna get to work on building my store. All I need to do is click customize my store and it's gonna get started. All right, while the AI is working, I need to go ahead and get set up with a way to find winning products so that my store actually has good products to sell. This is one of the most important parts to set up your store because having the right products can literally decide whether or not you even make any sales. And to make finding winning products as easy as possible, you need to register for AutoDS. This tool is gonna help you find products that are proven to sell. And it's even gonna help you set up prices, professional images, and even order fulfillment. So I'm gonna go ahead and register for AutoDS. So I'm gonna click register to AutoDS. This next step is just asking for some basic information. So I'm gonna go ahead and enter that real quick. Now we're gonna select our selling channel, which of course is gonna be Shopify. And this next screen is gonna ask you to select a plan. I'm gonna use a starter 500 plan, but just remember, your first 30 days with AutoDS is only $1. All right, now the last thing I need to do is go to the next step and then scroll down and check the box that says restrict access to visitors with the password. After doing that, just click continue and your store is now officially live. Now let's go ahead and check it out. As you can see, there's a button right here that says access my store. I'm gonna go ahead and click on that and pull up the store. And I'm not gonna lie, this is a very clean, high professionally looking store. You already have an active banner at the top saying free shipping and site-wide sale. The colors throughout this branding is all congruent, only using black, white, and this accent blue color. You can see that it already inputted the banner and a great opening statement to grab the user's attention. As you can see, it's also highlighting different features and benefits of the winning products that were automatically already added to the store. We even have our email newsletter right under that to start collecting emails from our customers, and even more features and benefits of the brand like why choose us and corresponding images to showcase the quality behind the brand. All right, so at this point, we're already almost done setting up the store. I just need to come back and set up a domain for my store by making a .store account here. Having a .store domain is gonna make it so that customers can trust your website more easily, meaning they're gonna be more willing to buy your product. It's also gonna save you money on marketing by increasing your store's traffic and doubling its visibility in online searches. To set up a .store domain, this should be the screen that you see. At the bottom, it says enter in your desired domain name, so I'm going to enter in my domain now. As you can see, I typed in Pennsylvania.store, and it's a domain that I can work with. Because that domain is available, I'm gonna come down over here and click connect now, where you can see it's now redirecting me back to Shopify. Then once you're on the screen, click connect existing domain. I'm going to input the same domain that we just verified and then click next. This step does not work if you just made the domain under 24 hours ago. So if it's not working for you, then just come back to this step in 24 hours. Now, after finishing that, we're gonna come back over here to the store builder one more time and then click done. Then as a bonus, it's gonna give you access to a complete 100% free dropshipping course that I made for you to get going with finding more winning products and learning how to advertise them. But if you're really serious about taking this store to the next level and seeing real results faster, my one-on-one mentorship is where you need to be, where you'll be getting way more in-depth lessons and hands-on guidance from myself and my team of dropshipping consultants who are already helping hundreds of students build, scale, and profit on stores no matter their experience. So if you're ready to stop guessing and start building a real business with expert support, go ahead and click the link down below, apply now, and let's make it happen. All right, now that my store is completely set up and about 90% of the work is done for me, I just need to edit my store a little bit more to make sure it's completely optimized to make as many sales as possible. It's like I told you before, when it comes to dropshipping, you need to take whatever's already showing that it's working and improve on it. So before I start making any ads to bring customers into my store, I wanna make sure it's as close as perfect as it can get. And I'm not gonna lie, this store already looks pretty good. Even with our homepage, we already have buttons and navigation set up from home, catalog, and contact us. And by adding in this navigation, it just makes it even easier for customers to make it through the website. The banner's already inputted, and we even have a featured product that AutoDS automatically already added to the store. This product looks like an electronic portable record player that you could basically take anywhere that you want. And actually within the last week, I've been seeing this product going crazy on Facebook and TikTok. So it shows that they're adding in winning products that are currently working in today, which we love to see. And if I come over here and click on catalog and scroll down, you can see all these other winning products that they've automatically loaded. And all these products make sense with the main product that's being sold and can all be used as upsells. And if you wanted to pick more winning products, it is very simple to do that as well. Just come back over here to AutoDS and click on this trending product section. And now this is gonna bring up a page of all these types of winning products that are currently selling really well right now. And you can choose whatever products that you want right here. I wouldn't recommend it just being random. You should try to choose things that are within your niche. If you want to stick with that same theme of electronics and gadgets, they already are doing the hard work for us. As we scroll up here at the top, you see an electronics and gadgets section. We can go ahead and click into this. And as you can see, it's gonna pull up all types of products that are gonna work really well within our store. And if I wanted to add one of these products, I just simply hover over the product and click on import draft. Now it's gonna come into this import section where I can change the title, the pictures, and the description of the product. So I'm not gonna lie, as of right now, this has been an extremely simple process, but I want to dive into it a little bit more. So let's head back into the store, check out one of these products, and see if there's any type of mistakes that we can fix. Since this is the main featured product on the store, we're just gonna go ahead and choose this one. So I'm gonna click view full details to go ahead and pull up the product page. Now there's definitely some decent product photos here, and I love how it's allowing the product to stand out with this white background. Even the other images that they're giving us are all high quality. None of these are blurry, none of these are pixelated, and they did a pretty good job with that. So to be honest, it does look pretty professional with the photos. There's also a wide variety of ways that the product is showing that it's being used in the visuals. I mean, this one is outside at a dinner table. It looks like this is around Christmas time as a gift. And this guy's just chilling, listening to some music right next to him. Now, when I buy a product, I'm always looking for all the ways that I can use it. And I think they did a great job of highlighting that. Now, according to AutoDS, I'm able to get this product for $6.53. And it's 4 to 9 business days with shipping, which is extremely competitive in the dropshipping space. So I think they're doing a great job with the fulfillment of the product. Now, typically with dropshippers, we like to look for 2 to 3 times our cost of goods for what we're gonna go ahead and sell the product for. So I'm gonna take the $6.53 and I'm just gonna meet it in the middle with a 2.5 margin. And that's gonna come out to $16.32. And as you can see on the website, they are already highlighting this product to be sold at $37.99. So we're just gonna go ahead and round that up and make the selling price $38. We're gonna divide that by the cost of goods of $16, which is gonna bring out 2.375. Now, I'll be honest, that is not the exact margin that we wanna see on a product, but that's why this store is fully customized and it's yours. So if you wanna bump up the price like $3 or add a little bit of shipping, that is something you have the full control to be able to do. Two small details that I really love here is that they have different colors and variants of the product. And whenever I click on one of these variants, as you can see, the image of that product is gonna come up. And then secondly, right under it, you're seeing a small description of the product and why somebody should buy it. You have to understand that consumers are gonna be lazy. They might not make it all the way down to the product page. So having these quick hitters right here, they go a long way. Even right under that, there's already an app installed called Quantity Break by Discount, incentivizing the customers that, hey, if you go ahead and buy more from me, I'm gonna go ahead and give you a discount. And I didn't have to do any work to set this up. It was automatically already inputted. We all know that customers love a great deal and they're gonna spend their money if they get one. So having something like this, it is really great for your brand. Now, if we do scroll down, you're gonna notice that there's reviews right at the top and they're already highlighting some frequently asked questions like what are the key features of this device, what's included in the box, and how long does the battery last? Which let me tell you is going to save a lot of time for us. As we scroll past the frequently asked questions, we're actually gonna get into the full product description, stating things like why you'll love it, what makes us different than other brands, and even an about us section. And if there's anything that I wanna change, I have full access to be able to do it. You just come back over here to your Shopify dashboard, come to your products, scroll down to the product that we were just looking at, and here's where the full product description is gonna be, all the images that we just saw, all the variants, as well as the pricing too. And if you wanna add to this or take things out, but you just don't know what to highlight in your product description, use your tools to your advantage. I just simply came over to ChatGPT and said, here's my product description for the product I'm selling. What are all the features and benefits that would be the best to highlight and what should I remove? Then after inputting the whole product description, you can see all the things that I can highlight, providing reasons why the customers will love it, giving even more features and benefits that were not highlighted before. Just another AI tool that is doing all the hard work for me. And just like that, I went from having nothing to building and optimizing a complete dropshipping store filled with multiple winning products that are all ready to sell right now. On top of that, I just did this strictly with AI tools, with less than $5 spent and in less than 20 minutes. Now with a fully built out store and you know how to do product research, you can fill the store with products that are gonna sell every single time. So from here, the next step is to be able to advertise your store and the product that you're selling, drive traffic to your store, and start making sales. But I always want you to remember one thing. Content is king and data is queen when it comes to the success of your dropshipping store. So it's extremely important that whenever you're building out your ad, you know exactly what to put inside of it. You also need to know how your layout's gonna be and how you're gonna deliver that messaging to your customers so they feel like they need your product and not just want it. And you know I got you covered. So if you wanna know how to create viral ads for your dropshipping business so you don't waste time, money, effort, or energy into the wrong direction, make sure you go and check out this new video I just dropped here. And now at this point, it is officially time for you to strap in. Take notes, start learning, and start to build your way to having a 5, 6, or even 7-figure dropshipping store. I'll see you in the next video. This is AC with Supreme Ecom, and I'm out.